Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi there. It's honor to be here. My full name is Tariqul Islam. You can call me as Tarek. I am from Saistaganj, which is an Upazila parts of Sylhet division, which is nearby the river of Kwai. To be more exact, Kutuber Chok Master Bari. Actually, I am from very conservative family. My family is consisting of 5 members. My father, mother, and we are 3 siblings. Actually, I have already completed my graduations Molibazar Gopt College at Political Science. My hobby is traveling, and in my lifetime I also enjoy watching TV. That's all pretty about one. Thank you everyone for your patience hearing.